everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you my current favorites. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I love those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, it's now summertime. It is like super duper summertime. It is like July 1st is on Friday. And oh, that's the day this video is going up. So if you're in July 1st, hi. It's like super into summertime, so I wanted to share with you guys what I have been loving for the summertime. I've been obsessed. Is there a sweater? Yes. There's always going to be a sweater with me. No matter what time of year it is, spring, summer, winter, fall, I'm always rocking a sweater. Okay, I wasn't sure how I wanted to kind of do this. I didn't really put them in categories in my phone, and past me is not happy with present me. Okay, so let's start off with things that I just have one of. The first thing I'm gonna put in here is I'm gonna put it into like a tech category. And this is, I only have one of these, and honestly, you guys are gonna think I'm cheating, because it kind of is a cheat. I've only had these for about a week and a half. I was gonna say maybe 2 weeks, but I don't think I've had them 2 weeks, maybe a week and a half, but I know that I already love them. I'm already obsessed with them. I love them so much. I did an unboxing of them. I'll have it linked in the description for you and in the little eye, but it is my AirPods Max. This device is probably one of my favorite Apple items that has ever been released. I love these so much. They are so comfortable. They are, well, I say comfortable, they are heavy compared to other like headphones, but they don't bother me. And I'm pretty sensitive when it comes to like things on my head. Like when I work, I wear a headset sometimes, and the headset at work is uncomfortable. So like these, even though they're kind of heavy, they're still really comfortable. And the spatial audio, you guys, I was like kind of a hater when it came to spatial audio. I was like, who cares? It's gonna sound good no matter what. I mean, I'm sure it's not really that big of a difference. I am happy to eat my own words, yum, 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 gobble them right up, because spatial audio is freaking insane. It has stereo audio, which is really cool, and you can like turn your head and the sound moves with you, so that's awesome. But the spatial audio is like, you know the audio that you get when you go into a movie theater, like Dolby sound or whatever? It's like that, but in headphones. Like it's all around you. Like I feel like someone's talking back here, and then you can also have it head tracking too, or you can have it fixed. But it's just so freaking cool. I love the spatial audio. The noise cancellation is awesome, as I feel like most headphones are, but this one is very, very strong. It's like a strong noise cancellation, but these are wonderful. I have edited every single video with these since I unboxed them, and I am just obsessed. Next up, let's talk about kitchenware. I have 2 kitchenware items that I want to share with you guys today. I would take you to them, but then I would have to like redo the whole lighting setup and everything, and I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna go grab one of them really quick and show them to you. This is the first one. I really hope I can show this on YouTube. I really hope I can without getting demonetized. Basically, we got a new knife set, and I am so incredibly happy with these knives. I got them from Amazon, and they're from Cuisinart. I love these knives so much. I've been using them so much. They cut so well, and you have like so many options. You have like a bread knife, you have a boning knife, you have a chef's knife, you have a just like a bunch of knives, and then you have these ones down here that are like steak knives that are just meant to replace your knives that you might have in your drawer. But I love this cutlery set. It even has scissors. I'm not holding these too close to the camera because I'm afraid I'm gonna get demonetized. I don't think so. I don't know if it works like that, but anyways, they're just such a beautiful knife set, and I love them so much. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. I feel like there was only so much I could say about knives, but they're really, really great. My next favorite, kitchen favorite is of course my Always pan. I know a lot of people have had issues with their Always pan later on in its life. So like after like 6 months to a year, people have been saying that the non-stick kind of goes away. I do understand that. Obviously, I've had this for about a month now. I got it at the beginning of June and I use it almost every day because I cook a lot. I love to cook. I didn't used to like to cook. It's weird, but like since moving out on my own, like for like the past 3, almost 4 years moving out on my own and then, you know, getting married and everything, I've like really started liking cooking. So I've been doing that a lot and I use this almost every day when I can, and it's just the champ. It's so great. She's so beautiful. If you haven't noticed yet, me and my husband have a like white and blue theme in the living room. You see that? And even these chairs right here, you can't really see them. I'll show them to you. Why not? Blue as well. So I was like, when I saw the Selena Gomez and Our Place collab, I was like, oh my god, I have to get the azul. I have to get the blue one. So I did. And she's very expensive. She's like $140, and I know that they do go on sale from time to time, so if you were interested in one, I'd recommend getting it on sale, obviously. But she's been great so far. I actually do use the strainer thing that's in here. I know a lot of people, like when I watched reviews on it and stuff, they said they didn't use that strainer. I do use it because the colander that we had, it was very old. It was like 20 something years old, and it kind of like broke in half. So I do use this as a strainer right now until we get another one, but I just really like this. It's so aesthetic, it's beautiful, it works really well in my opinion. There are a lot of caveats, and it is something that you kind of have to baby. If you're not into like babying your things, you're not gonna like this. Like if you just want to throw something on a high heat and be done with it, you're not gonna like this. I'm glad I have it. I will definitely like update you like after 6 months or so to see how it's doing, but right now it's great. The bottom is looking really good. No complaints. Okay, I'm gonna go into jewelry pieces. I have 2 that I want to share with you that I have gotten, and I did an unboxing on both of these pieces, but my first one that I want to say is a favorite, and I don't know, my last favorites video, I'm not sure if I even had this yet, but I've had this for about a month or 2. I've had it for about 2 months now, and my husband got this for me. He's like the best husband ever. He got it for me for my birthday, and it is this beautiful Tiffany & Co. ring. I did do an unboxing. I'll have it linked down below for you, but she is stunning, beautiful, and just immaculate in every way. So yeah, she's just amazing and beautiful, and I got her in the rose gold, and she is like one of my favorite pieces that I have. Of course, it was given to me by my husband, so it's just very important. So I love that. The next favorite I have here is my Hermes bracelet. This is, I forgot what it's called. The click bracelet? Click clack? No, the click clack's the big one. It's like the Hermes click bracelet. It's the small one, like the thinner version. And here's what she looks like. I did do an unboxing on this as well, and she's very pretty. She's holding up pretty well. She does have some scratches and stuff on her, but I'm not like super careful. Like the back is pretty scratched up, but I'm not like super careful with her or anything. I do need to give her a clean. She's kind of dirty. The only thing that really bothers me is like the second day that I had this bracelet, I got a freaking scratch on the face, and it makes me so mad because obviously I can't get it off. It's a scratch. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it's just like a line. I don't know. Other than that, I really like this bracelet. I wear it every single day. There has not been one day since I've had this bracelet that I have not worn it. I wear it every single day, along with my watch. I like this watch as well. It's not a favorite because I mean like it's a watch that I literally never use for telling the time. It's just an accessory. I do like it though. It's very pretty. And I think that she's been doing really, really well for me wearing her every single day with every outfit that I have. I don't know. I like to have my stuff on. It just makes me feel good. Like I probably won't get any more. I think that I have kind of like had my fill with the Hermes costume jewelry, unless there's something else that I just like fall in love with. I don't think I'm going to be getting any other kind of jewelry from Hermes. The next thing that I'm really hunting for is a Avalon blanket to match my pillow, and my pillow is in like the chamomile color, so let's hope I find that at some point. I have no idea when that's going to happen, but that's what I'm currently hunting for. Next, for Hermes, I have things that are higher up on my list of things that I'm going to get. Those are the 2 jewelry pieces. Now we have a couple of clothing pieces I want to share. First up, we have this sweater from, of course, say it with me, you guys, Totem. Yes, and I did actually show this recently as well, and I did this on a haul video. It was like on the summer sale haul. It was actually fairly recent, so this one's kind of cheating as well, but I still just love this. I wear this sweater a lot, actually. I've had it for like a week and a half, and I've worn it like 6 times. I love this sweater. It's really, really nice. It is the tan merino, I think that's what it was, sweater. I still have the tag in it because Lord knows I can't take the tag out of anything. The merino camel knit sweater, and it's very nice. I got this on like super sale from the Scents website. It is so soft, and I understand why it's so damn expensive, because I want to say it's 100% cashmere, isn't it? Oh my God. This says it has camel in it. Like camel, 13%. I thought they were referring to the color when they said camel. Does it have like camel hair? I didn't realize camel hair got this long. I have no idea. I thought they were referring to the color when it said camel. Anyways, yes, I do like this sweater a lot, and it is probably one of my favorites. I want to wear it with my Burberry shorts. I think that would just look so cute. That's the sweater. I'm kind of weirded out now that the tag said it had camel in it. I know someone in the comments is gonna be like, why are you weirded out by that? Your bags are leather. Yeah, I know, but I wasn't prepared. I'm going to include this in clothing, even though it's not technically clothing. It's sunglasses. They're accessories. These were also in my most recent unboxing, the AirPods Max and these. These are my new Gentle Monster sunglasses. These are the Diane 032, I believe, something along those lines. But these are amazing. I can't keep them on for very long because it will destroy the white balance of the camera, but they're so nice. These are like literally my new favorite sunglasses. I wear these every single time I leave the house. I have my YSL sunglasses that I do like a lot, but like these ones I love so much more than the YSL sunnies because they stay on my face. The YSL sunglasses, I don't know if I got like a size too big. I've never had to order sizing in sunglasses before, and they only had one size available, so that's what I ordered, and I think they're kind of too big. Like they're even too big when I put them up here, and before anyone comes for me, I know you're not supposed to wear sunglasses as a headband. I'm very aware because it can stretch out the arms, but these ones right here, the arms are already like wiry, so like it doesn't really matter about these ones. But even the YSL ones, I didn't stretch them out. They were always like that, and if I have them on my head, they'll stay there, but like the second I move my head even the slightest bit down or back, they fall right off. Like they do not stay. So they're kind of really annoying. So I really like these a lot, and they're like my favorite sunglasses that I have. They're so cool. My last clothing item, I have these. These are my, oh my God, I'm so excited. These are my Doc Martens, and these are the Oxford shoe. Look at those, they're so pretty. These are my second pair of Doc Martens. I only have one pair of Doc Martens, and they're boots. And I haven't gotten any more since then, but these are my newest pair, and they're the Oxford shoes. I really wanted these Oxford shoe ones because they look so freaking cool, and I see people wear them with just like basic outfits, and they're just so nice. I will say I did get them in a size too big, which is kind of odd because I got them in an 8. I got them in a women's 8, men's 9 or something, I think. Yeah, I got them in a women's 8, and they're pretty big. So like I do wear socks with them, and I'll do like a try on for you. But I do wear socks with them, and they're not so big that they're gonna like fly off my foot or anything like that. But like they're kind of big. I did actually get these from Amazon, believe it or not, but they are Doc Martens. It said Doc Martens on the thing, and they were definitely Doc Marten pricing. They were out of every single size except for a women's 8, and I thought it was like, oh my god, it's fate. But no, they're definitely too big. I'm not gonna return them because I don't know, I would rather have them be a little too big and allow me to wear really thick cool socks with them than them be too small, and then if I wear socks then they're kind of uncomfortable. So yeah, these ones are really nice. I like them a lot, and I've been wearing them pretty often. You know, I haven't got any pictures in them yet, but I have been wearing them pretty often because they're so freaking cool. So yeah, I got these. I think that's nearly it. I think I only have one more thing, well, 2 more things to show you. I have got a beauty favorite. I don't usually have beauty favorites, but this is a beauty favorite, and it is by Rare Beauty. And it is the mascara. I want to say, I forgot the name of the mascara. With Rare Beauty's branding, it's probably like Believe in Yourself mascara, or like Inner Beauty mascara or something like that. A Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. That is 1,000,000% not what I thought the name would be. But yeah, this is the mascara. It's very, very good. I've actually had this one for a while now. I probably need to get a new one. Here is what the one looks like. Very nice. It's a pretty thick wand, so I do sometimes have issues with getting little black specks on my eyelids. This mascara is really nice. It's what I wear in every single video that I've been filming within the last 6 months. I have it on right now. And my last favorite is a bag favorite, and I feel like this is, I've always liked this bag, but I feel like within the past month I've really grown an appreciation for this bag, and she's like really turning into one of my favorite bags. And it is my green classic flap in the medium size. I did post a video, actually my last video was ranking all of my bags, and I was like talking about how when I first got this bag I was really disappointed in it. It does kind of like come out on the sides like this, as you can see that, like it's not like fully structured anymore. If it was, it would look like this, but it doesn't. It kind of comes out. And then in my last video I did show you the back where it has like the dry spots. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it's all right here. But you know, over the past couple of months, I've had this bag for about 5-ish months now, I want to say, and I have just really grown to love this bag. I just decided that, you know, I was being silly thinking that a 20-something-year-old bag that was in a light color would look perfect after 20-something years. And then I was like, this bag is so old, and she again is in like this light green. I mean, and for this bag to be the color that it is and still look near, like, it looks pretty decent. It doesn't really look that bad. I think I was just being way too critical when I first got it, because I do have my black Chanel classic flap in the small size, and that one of course is older than this one technically, and it is in like pristine condition, but it's black. So like it doesn't show wear and tear as, you know, as easily, and I'm sure there is some dryness and wear on the bag. You just can't see it because it's black. And this one right here, I was just like, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Like it's really great. This bag's been through a lot, and it's still in really, really good condition, and I've just grown to love this bag so much. She's one of my favorites. I wear her as often as I can, and she fits a ton. So yeah, definitely like a new love story regarding this bag, and I'm very happy about it. All right, you guys, that has been my favorites video. Let me know in the comments which was your favorite that I showed off today. Let me know as well if you have some favorites that you've gotten over the past couple of months. Leave me a comment telling me what those are, or just leave me a comment telling me anything just because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But again, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and subscribe if you want to, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!